This is Jesus Manuel Benagarza. I hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. In this edition, I'm going to be talking about the converter for the Rockwood Flagstaff line for 2022. I just wanted to complain a bit of a rant here. I apologize. I called the folks at Flagstaff Rockwood and I asked them the question straight ahead. Will this converter, as they call it, power converter, charge my lithium batteries that I'm going to be upgrading the unit to 100%, 100%. And they said, no way, Jose, it's not going to happen. Good luck. It's only going to be 80 to 90%. I understand why Rockwood Flagstaff is not putting in the latest, greatest power converter. It's because the old one's cheap. It's very inexpensive. They probably get them at a bargain now because everybody knows that, wet cell batteries are going the way of the dinosaur, okay? That's the hard facts. They do not want to spend the money. So they're forcing me either to hire somebody or do it myself to replace the power converter. And the model number of the power converter apparently, and I may be wrong, is WFCO, WF-895-0L2-MBA. And that's the replacement RV power converter, lithium ion main board that I see on Amazon and everywhere else, okay? Everywhere else. It's goes for about 180 to 200 plus bucks. Of course, you have to pay tax on that stuff. So the kind folks, the wonderful, absolutely wonderful folks over there at Rockwood Flagstaff want you, if you're going to put in lithium batteries, deal with the fact that it's only going to charge up to 80%. So if you bought a 200 amp hour battery bank, it's only going to, the value is going to be depreciated slightly to 160 amp hours. Is that good? Nah, it's not good. You don't want the whole 200 amp hours. You want the whole shebang. So if you want that, you're gonna have to spend 200 bucks, upgrade the power converter and install it yourself and hopefully not kill yourself because how many of you out there are perfect at electronics or electronic techs? I'm not an electronic tech. I took artsy-fartsy classes in college. I took painting, I took sculpture, I took photography, I took film. I did those artsy-fartsy classes. I did not take those important classes like electricity and stuff like that. I should have, in retrospect, back in the 60s, I should have taken those classes. So hopefully none of you get killed installing that power converter. Remember, turn off all the power, unplug, turn off all the switches, all the fuses, everything, turn it all off. Make sure you don't get, killed replacing that super cheap power converter that the folks at Flagstaff Rockwood give you. And having to replace it, again, with one that charges up to 100%, not 80%, 100%. Hey, again, hear that. From 80%, instead of 80%, 100%, okay? So you get the full value of your lithium batteries. My RV comes from the folks at One RV with a 65 amp hour wet cell battery that they probably bought for like 45 bucks or so. And that's a piece of junk. But I'm hoping to, again, replace it with a 200 amp hour lithium battery that I'm either going to put in the pass-through or under the bed. I'm going to have to figure out the wiring. I don't want to put in the battery box up front because that's exposed to a lot of weather conditions. It's more protected inside, and if I have the heater on inside, maybe I can vent the heat towards the battery box or the pass-through storage somehow. Cut a hole, put a screen, make something nice, put some louvers, who knows? Something super high-tech. I know how to do that. Electricity, I have some issues with. I am not an electrician. I am not an electrical tech. I'm not an engineer. Several of my family members are, but I am not. They're all in Silicon Valley. I'm over here in Texas. They can't help me, okay? So from Fort Worth, Texas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'm trying to grow my modest little YouTube channel. And if you have the time, please leave your kind and super friendly comments abajo, below. I'd greatly appreciate your comments and any suggestions regarding any possibility. Is there another brand of power converter that's better than that WFCO version? Maybe there's something better. What would you recommend? Send that information and list it and give me that information below. Hope you're doing fantastic. I hope to get delivery of my travel trailer eventually, maybe sometime early winter. Who knows? It might be 2022 by the time I get my 2022 Rockwood Mini Light 2205S. Thanks for watching my channel from Fort Worth, Texas. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.